Hey there everyone, I'm Helen. I'm the national artist for Sephora collection, and today I have 4 products to level up your skincare. They're all super affordable. They're $20 and under, and what I really like about them is that you're really going from breakouts all the way to wrinkles, so I have something for everybody. Stay tuned. So if you don't have this really kind of low-tech tool, but it's an oldie but a goodie, this is the Sephora Collection 3-in-1 Extractor Tool. And this is awesome because it has 3 different ways to extract, if you will. So the first part of this tool is the lance, and you can see it's a really sharp, fine point. You definitely want to sanitize it with alcohol before lancing anything on your face, but it's great for those whiteheads that you just want to cleanly pop. Another tool is going to be the larger one. So what I love about this is it has the really sharp lance, but then you can protect it and keep it in your drawer, no problem, by just twisting it on. So this is a really great 3-in-1. You don't need to have different accessories all the time. You just kind of twist this on and it can stay on. But this one is the larger loop, and this is good for when you have slightly bigger blemishes. And then my all-time favorite is actually this little loop. And the little loop is awesome. What I love to do with it is like all those congested pores that are just always right around your nose, and they're so pesky and really hard, like you cannot get to them. This is really great. What I do is I press firmly but gently against my skin, and I drag it ever so slowly, and you will see the like congestion in the pores come right out. It is so gross, but it works like a charm. I love this product. Like I said, it's low tech, but it works. So this is a really great way to just level up your skincare and get rid of those congested pores. And what's great about this is that it will last forever, so no batteries to charge or anything like that, but it's only $20. Okay, so we all know how to wash our face, how to moisturize, how to put on an SPF, but sometimes we are missing an exfoliant that might be gentle. So this is the First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads. These are awesome. They have lactic acid and glycolic acid, so it's kind of those dual acids working. They are super duper gentle. You can use them every single day if you want. And these really do help to exfoliate, they tone, they brighten, they kind of do a little bit of everything. And I'm just gonna pull one out and show you how this looks. So the pads themselves have a little bit of texture to them, but they're not rough or anything like that. And you just kind of glide them over and you let the acid do the work. So it's one of those like exfoliants that you don't really have to work at. You don't have to scrub your face. It's just all the little acids are gonna eat away at any of those dead skin cells that you might have. So I really love these pads. It's a really awesome way to just add a little something extra into your skincare. Okay, so we talked about a tool that's great for extractions if you have breakouts. We also talked about the facial radiance pads, which are totally great for everybody, but especially if you have breakouts, you definitely want to make sure you're exfoliating to make sure you don't have any dead skin cells clogging those pores. But another leveling up would be to add a serum. So this is the Ordinary Niacinamide 10% plus zinc 1%. And really what this is going to do for you, the niacinamide is really great for breakouts. It's really going to help reduce the look of a breakout essentially, and the zinc actually helps to reduce excess sebum. So if you have oily skin, this is a great one. It's just really going to keep those breakouts at bay. It comes in this like cool dropper, so you can get the exact amount you need, and I just work it between my fingers and just place it on. Some people press their serums in. I'm more of a work it into your skin by rubbing it, so do whatever you need to do. And a little bit goes a long way, so that's really all you need. And it kind of gives a glow, but I would say it's more of a mattifying effect overall. Once it dries down, it's gonna really help to control that sebum. And another amazing thing about the serum is it's $5.90. So totally something that you can incorporate to any skincare routine. $5, make it holla. And last but certainly not least is the Sephora Collection Targeted Wrinkle Serum. This is awesome if you have sensitive skin. I am super sensitive to retinol personally, and so this actually has a retinol alternative. So it has bakuchiol in it, which is a natural form of retinol. It has this darker bottle so you know that the good stuff's getting protected, and this is only $20, and it's just, that's an incredible price for a wrinkle serum. And you can see it has this like milky sort of texture to it. It feels really nice on, and it definitely gets to work on those fine lines. and just a really great way to like layer on another thing into your skincare, especially if you're one of those people who doesn't necessarily want to invest in a ton of like wrinkle stuff, but it's starting to become a concern. This is one of those products that you can just start to layer in and add on. And you can totally layer 2 serums if you need to. Okay, that is it. All the products you need to just bump up your skincare to the next level. I just love it because we have something for glow, breakouts, we have something for wrinkles, like just a little bit of something for everyone. I don't know about you, but I've been just really wanting to get my skin into fighting shape. So I hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to subscribe. Let me know what you're gonna use in the comments below. And until next time, bye everyone.